Hello YouTube! Welcome back to a new video. I'm Nani.
And I'm Mommy.
And together we are
Nani
and
MoMMi.
Today we will be making pizza. The ingredients include pizza crust in a can, classic crust, also traditional pizza sauce, roasted
Garlic Alfredo.
roasted garlic Alfredo, and the toppings include sliced pepperonis, deluxe gold pineapple slices. We're going to chop them up to make them smaller. And we are using also ultra thin crust, pizza crust, and organic extra virgin oil,
Olive oil.
virgin olive oil.
Sauces.
The seasonings we are using is grated Parmesan cheese and garlic and herb.
And we're going to be using a pizza slicer, a spoon, kitchen spoon to just smooth out the sauces. And we have a brush to brush on because we like to make like a extra virgin olive oil and Italian season. We put it on top of the crust, makes it really good. So anyways, this pizza crust, we have to open it up, shape it, and it takes 8 minutes to bake. So you guys are going to give us a little bit of time to get that going. We're going to go ahead and open it up on the camera, start shaping it up. Before we do that, let's see what we got going on here. If I can get it the first try. Come on, pop, baby. Oh, there we go. All right. Go ahead and spray the can with them. Shake it up.
I'm going to spray the pan with the olive oil.
Not the close. No. Okay. All right, there we go. All right, let's see if we can shape this into the pan of this square. Oh, it's cool. You just unroll it. All right. It's the first time we use this, so bear with us. We want you guys to experience this with us for the first time. See how this work out. Hands already been washed and cleaned. The countertops and all that been sanitized. All right, it's not too bad.
It smells weird. See if I can move.
Alrighty. So I'm just kind of take my thumbs and kind of knead it up to the size of the pan. Try to even it out. It's actually working pretty well. I thought it would be either too big or too small, but it's actually coming out pretty good here. So I don't want to put the garlic herb or the Italian and extra virgin olive oil on top yet because I want to go ahead and do the 8-minute bake. I don't want it to overcook on that. So we got it nice and even there. Alright. I'm going to take it and put it in the oven. So we already got the oven preheated to 350. We're going to go ahead and get these pineapples sliced up, get all the sauces and everything ready to go, and we'll be back in a moment. Thank you.
So we'll see you in 8 minutes. And we forgot to mention one of the most important ingredients, which is the cheese. And the type of cheese that we'll be using is mozzarella, the Philadelphia version for a creamier melt. And we're using Mexican style cheddar jack cheese.
Yeah.
Alright.
So, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how to make a seasoning for your pizza crust. And then I will be seasoning myself and as well as Nani's pizza. And I'll be using Bertolli extra virgin olive oil, Italian seasoning, and garlic powder, one of our favorites. Oh yeah, as well as a pinch of Himalayan salt. Okay, so I'm going to first start off with 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Okay, that's that. Then I'm just going to shake a couple of shakes of Italian seasoning. 1, 2, let's say 3. Then I'm going to add about 1 shake of garlic powder and that 1 pinch of Himalayan salt, or 1 shake that I mentioned earlier. There we go. A couple of shakes, but it took a couple of shakes to get it out. Then I'm going to take the brush here, stir it up here. Then I'm going to lightly go ahead and stir it in between, because the salt kind of sits on the bottom if you don't stir it up. Okay. And also for these pieces of crust, they didn't need any pre-baking. I already sprayed the pan with a little bit of olive oil. And Nani will be putting her Alfredo sauce on her pizza, while I'll be dressing mine with the traditional tomato sauce, or sorry, the traditional pizza sauce, as well as the pineapple. I'm sorry, the pepperoni. She's going to be using the pineapple. Go ahead and start yours. And I'll start this one.
Okay. So I will start by pouring the sauce on the pizza and then spreading it around. I need to put the other.
Okay. Take that. Go ahead and add the cheese.
Okay. I will start by sprinkling the mozzarella cheese first.
That looks good already. And of course you can use, like we said before, any kind of cheese you like, but one of our favorites is the mozzarella creamy melt cheese, because it has a real nice gooey melt. It gives it that authentic pizza style.
Then I start using the cheddar jack.
And meanwhile, I'm going to go ahead and start spreading my pizza sauce over mine.
Mozzarella. Alright.
I like a lot of sauce, so I'm going to go ahead and add more.
Then I start to add the pineapples on top of my pizza.
Put some mozzarella on mine. Cover that really good. And just a little bit of the cheddar jack, because rather have the mozzarella, more mozzarella than the yellow jack or the cheddar jack. Just gonna spread them nice and evenly. And I'm just gonna put a few pepperoni because I'm not really all that great on pepperoni or big on pepperoni. Make sure you spread the cheese all around so that when it melts, it covers it up evenly. And if you're a pepperoni freak, go ahead and put as much as you want. You can layer it if you like. I'm just gonna put one little slight layer on it because, like I said, I'm not really all that big on pepperoni. I'm more into the pineapple. You can actually put pineapple and pepperoni if that's what you choose.
I'm going to start sprinkling the Parmesan cheese on to my pizza. One side. And then I'll sprinkle the garlic and herb.
So I just want the Parmesan. I'll put the garlic and herb afterwards. Sprinkle just a little bit over there.
Nice. Ooh, looks good.
And napkin and wipe my hand off. Get all this sauce and cheese on my hand. Oh, cheese, not really sauce. Alright, guys. So I didn't eat the second sauce. I'm just going to go ahead and put it to the side. Go ahead and take a look at that. Show you mine first. Got my 2 pieces here. Alright. Now you want to show yours?
And show mine.
Need help? You got it?
I got it.
Woohoo! Show it. Look at it.
Looks delicious.
Yeah, it sure does.
Can't wait to see the finished results.
So we're going to go ahead and put these on for like maybe 10 to 15 minutes. I think the smaller pieces need a lot less time. But we'll bring them all back at the same time and show you the end result. Stay tuned.
Hey, YouTube.
It's all good. Go ahead.
We are back with our final results, and we are going to cut up the pizza, and we're going to try it for you guys, and I'm very excited to try it.
It looks good. Let's show them the pieces first before we cut them up. Go ahead, show them yours. That's the pineapple with the Alfredo sauce.
It looks delicious.
It's probably the one I'll be digging into later on. And here's the one I put together, which also looks delicious.
It looks very
The pepperoni with the traditional pizza sauce smells great. You guys, it smells good. Anyways, we're gonna go ahead and cut these pieces up because we are hungry and we are ready to eat. Go ahead. Yep.
All right, we'll start by cutting pieces.
Alright, so we saw it a couple times. And by the way, this is our dinner, so it better be good. Go ahead. Got it?
Oh,
It's alright.
I don't know if it went over.
It went over a little bit, but just if you go a couple times, you need to go a couple times in order to get it through. Okay. Alright, then go across. You turn this way. Was it hard or something?
I'm just making sure that I cut through it.
Oh, gotcha. Here, I'm gonna put it right here. If that was me, I'd be. You ain't hungry enough, kid.
I just want to make sure I cut it through so I'm not struggling trying to pull it apart. Can I cut it one more time right there?
Yeah, sure. It's your pieces. Even though I will be eating some of it.
I can't mess it up.
It's all good. Come right here. Go ahead. When we get the pulling of the party, it ain't gonna matter. Alright.
I keep messing it up. Like I keep going off.
Alright.
Oh.
Well, mine's is thinner, so.
It's crispy.
Real crispy.
Oh. Cracker.
No, it ain't really cracker crispy. It's a little bit. It's not as crispy as cracker. I hope not, anyway. Anyways, we're gonna grab a couple slices. Quick. Get this going. thicker crust, boy. Put my finger on here. Go ahead and take that whole. Just take that whole thing. There you go. It's kind of hard to get the corner because of the end of the pan.
Yeah. Some thick pizza crust.
Remember, this is our first time trying this crust as well. All right, go ahead and give it a try. Go ahead and try yours first. We gotta say our prayers to get things.
That is so good.
Oh, it's not crispy at all.
No?
No, not at all.
I said it wouldn't be
Maybe if I would have cooked it a little bit longer, it would have been crispier. But if you want a crispier crust, you can cook it a little bit longer. Yeah, you can cook it a little bit longer. But mine's is nice and it's moist.
That was some good pizza.
Yeah, it's good.
It's kind of like a fluffy bit on the inside.
Oh, what? Fluffy brown.
Fluffy a bit on the inside. I'm gonna bite into it.
Anyways, YouTube, put that back. Anyways, YouTube, check us out. We want to take a minute here and thank you guys for your support. We're getting a lot of people commenting on our videos, saying some stuff like, they can't wait for our next video to come out. We appreciate the support. We want you guys to know that. We really appreciate it. We ask that you please bear with us. Like I said in the past videos, we're working on flowing into our natural personalities. Well, that's her. I'm a little bit more out there, but anyways, we're working on trying to connect with our natural personalities because we're on camera. It's a little bit different, but I'm getting more comfortable easing into it. But again, we want to thank you guys, ask for your prayers, and we pray that you guys are all doing well. And once again, we do ask that you guys please like, subscribe, and kindly comment.
Thank you for watching our videos. See you next time.
Stay tuned for the next video.